Let's see how to make a simple threaded hole in FreeCAD. So let me create one model. So this is the interface. Now see here one option, create document, or even though you can do from here, new document. Now see we entered in new document. First you have to choose plane to create a model. So see here new sketch. Even if you go to task, new body, you will get it. Let's select new sketch. Now see here, select attachment. See, these are the planes. You can directly choose from here, just X, Y. See, select OK. Now we entered in sketch mode. See here, sketcher pattern workbench activated. Okay, let me draw here center rectangle. Center rectangle, it is 2-point rectangle. Select and first point I'll going to place at center, then drag your mouse. Before going, you can simply put 100, press tab key, 80, enter. This is the dimension. Right click and exit from the dimension. Now this is fully constrained sketch, you will see here. So simply close and see, select sketch and apply padding. I want to add material in linear direction, so this is the best option. See here, even though you can select arrow and make it up and down. Now see here, one side already activated. Dimensions, here you can choose okay, in this case dimension is perfect. Let's say 30. Fine. Okay. Now select the face. I want to create a sketch and create any type of circle. Let's draw one circle at center. Exit. Now simply close. Now select sketch. Activate hole. Now here in this case, base profile type, I am going to keep point, circle, arc. It will work in all conditions. Now standard, I'm going to choose here isometric regular. There are many standards. Okay. Now here size, the whole size. Let's say it's 20 M20 into 2.5. Let me choose front view and see head type, keep normal hole, not counter bore, not countersink. Come down here, choose two options, either through all or choose dimension. In dimension, let's apply. Let's say this how much total depth 30, so 20. Okay. I don't want any drill angle, simply uncheck. So there is no cone shape. Depth. This is threaded hole. That's why we are not able to adjust this one. Taper option there, but we don't need. Okay, this is threading. What type of thread you need? Choose modeled. If you choose modeled, you have to define the definitions of thread. This is class. There are many class. Let's say 6H. Left hand, right hand, whatever you can. Let's say left hand, and threaded both side. Depth, choose dimension. Let's say this whole depth 20. So this one, let's say make 10. Now press 0 and okay, look. See how the thread is going to happen. This is how you can make a simple thread in FreeCAD. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.